Hey everyone, I'm Tony with Clarkson Santoro, and this is your San Ramon real estate update for Friday, February 4th. In this weekly series, we update you on the latest statistics and trends that are occurring in our market here in San Ramon. Using our more than 50 combined years of experience helping clients buy and sell homes, we'll explain what these numbers can mean for you as a homeowner or as someone who is looking for a house they will love to call home. Let's look at this week's numbers. Our current inventory is 10, which is down from last week's 12. The average asking price for these homes is $1,741,000, down from last week's $1,803,000. 10 homes asking an average of $1,811,000 went pending this week. That is more pending homes than last week's 9, with a higher average asking price from last week's $1,620,000. A total of 8 homes closed this week with an average sales price of $2,280,000. That average price is up from last week's average price of $2,157,000. And a total number of homes sold is higher than last week's 4. This week we want to look back at the first month of the year. January is typically a slower time in the market as homeowners are just starting to get back into the swing of things. We don't usually see the market really start to increase until March, around the first part of spring. This past January, however, has been different. The 30-day rolling average as of January 1st was $1,916,000. At the end of last month, that average was up to $2,094,000. That's an increase of $178,000 for the month. This January has been the first time that San Ramon has seen a 30-day average of over $2 million for an entire month. And that price continues to increase. The current 30-day rolling average is up to $2,169,000. That high average sales price has continued in large part by the need that buyers have to continue to bid well beyond the asking price on homes. Last month, the 30-day average for amount paid over asking was $201,000. The average over asking for all of last year was only $177,000. And the current 30-day average as of today, February 4th, is $240,000. That trend of homes selling for well over the asking price is a continued effect of the constant low inventory we've seen here in San Ramon. This past month, January ranged from a low of only 2 houses on the market to a high of 14. 14 is still exceptionally low, and average inventory for San Ramon is 50 homes, meaning we never got closer than 28% of an average market as far as inventory is concerned. Even though inventory has stayed low, the number of pending sales has continued to climb, meaning the turnover rate has not slowed at all, even though inventory remains low. The 30-day rolling average of pending homes rose from a low of 18 towards the beginning of the month to a high of 29 homes at the end of January. One more trend that developed in the month of January was the dominance of lower priced homes on the market. The 30-day average asking price of pending homes fell from a high of $1,976,000 to a low of $1,706,000 by the end of January. This isn't a reflection of the overall value of homes falling in San Ramon. Rather, it's just a demonstration of how smaller homes dominating the market can reduce the average asking price of a home. All in all, January was a much hotter market than we typically see at the beginning of the year here in San Ramon. And the numbers point in an upward trajectory for the trend to continue. I hope you found this weekly update and summary helpful. Let us know in the comments down below if you have specific questions you would like us to address in these updates. And if you do find this information helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you can always be up to date on the latest real estate trends here in San Ramon. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week with a new update.